Hey Saint! In this video, I share my go-to for family-friendly movies and shows. As you can tell, I'm at the historic Alabama Theater. I love movies, but I don't want to hear or see things that hurt my relationship with Christ. The answer is an awesome service called VidAngel. VidAngel takes your Amazon and Netflix content and filters it. Here's 3 reasons why you should check them out. Reason 1, it's curated content. They only filter the good stuff. Reason 2, the filters are totally customizable. Take language, for instance. I don't have a problem with the word crap, but maybe you do. I can leave the filter off and you can turn it on. Reason 3, it's very affordable. After a 30-day trial, it's just $10 a month. I hope you'll check it out, and if you do, leave a comment below to let me know that you did. If you like this video, I would invite you to join our Facebook group. You'll love it. Go to christianhappiness.community to join. That's a wrap, and I'll see you next time.